In this video, you'll learn how to fix the Google Drive quota exceeded error so you can get back to uploading and syncing your files without frustration. This error usually means your storage is full or very close to full, but we'll go through a clear process to check what's going on, clean things up, and decide what to do next. First, let's confirm whether storage is actually the issue by checking your storage usage in Google Drive. Open Google Drive in your browser and make sure you're signed into the correct Google account, especially if you use more than one. Look toward the lower part of the left sidebar where you'll see how much storage you've used out of your total allowance. You can also click into the storage section to see a breakdown of what's taking up space. This will show you which files are largest, and it can help you quickly spot old backups, videos, or archives that you might not need anymore. If you're near or over your limit, that's almost certainly why you're seeing the quota error. Next, it's time to delete unnecessary files and empty the trash. Start by sorting your files by size or last modified date. Large video files, old installers, or outdated project folders are usually good candidates for removal. Go through your drive and delete anything you truly don't need. Remember that deleting shared files you own will also affect collaborators, so double check before removing important shared content. Once you've deleted those items, they're not gone yet, they're moved to the trash, and they still count toward your storage. To fix that, go to the trash section in the left sidebar. Review the files there briefly, just to be sure you didn't delete something you still need. When you're confident, use the option to empty the trash. This will permanently remove those files and actually free up the space. Be aware that this step is not reversible, so take a moment to confirm you're comfortable losing those files for good. After you've emptied the trash, Google's storage system may take a bit of time to refresh. This is normal. Even though the files are gone, the storage numbers may not update instantly. Give it some time to catch up. This can range from a few minutes to longer, depending on how much you removed. During this period, don't worry if you still see the old storage amount or the quota error. Just wait, then refresh your Google Drive page or sign out and back in again to see the updated storage. Once you've waited and confirmed that your usage has gone down, try uploading your files again. Use the same method you normally do, whether that's dragging and dropping using the new button in Drive or syncing via the desktop app. If the upload starts and completes successfully, that means the space you freed up was enough to clear the error. If you're still running into the quota exceeded message even after serious cleanup, it may be time to consider upgrading your storage plan. Open the storage section in your Google account and look at the available plans. Choose a plan that fits your long-term needs, especially if you regularly work with large photos, videos, or backups. Once you upgrade, your new storage limit will apply and you should be able to upload without hitting the quota so quickly. That's the full process. Check your usage, clean up and empty the trash, wait for the system to update, try your upload again, and if necessary, upgrade your plan. Following these steps should reliably resolve the Google Drive quota exceeded error and keep your storage under control going forward.